Yeah.
Alright, today we'll do the third bag of potatoes. So we are harvesting orange potatoes this time. You can see it's fully dried up. So we'll first get the dried stuff out. And then we will upturn. Look at these.
Yeah, fingerlings.
Look at these. Oh no, it's going sort of soft.
Yeah, you kept it too long inside.
Yeah, maybe. The surface ones have become a little soft. Yeah, the inner ones are better. Yeah.
Maybe they are soft.
Maybe,
a little.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, just put them. Yeah.
Let's see. Okay, yeah. We will see. Yeah, I think this variety is a little strange variety. Yeah, I'll show you the. I'll show the other
Yeah, I'll
ones
show
later.
the.
No, it's okay. You can. Yeah. Just want to get rid of the mulch. Yeah, this one we let it be in the container for a long time.
For about 10 days.
So
or
we learn if that was a bad decision or not. We'll see. Alright, let's unturn this guy. This was also planted back in January, so it's been a while since it's been here. This one is called Prince of Orange. That's the variety name. See, this one was nice. Yeah. They're long, nice potatoes. Little, yeah, I don't know why it's getting
no, they're
little
fine.
soft.
They're fine. They're fine.
No, some of them are getting a little soft.
Soft.
So we need to see.
Oh,
Like
yeah, this is. But it can be used. There's
I
nothing
don't
wrong.
know what's the deal.
No, it can be used.
Maybe we
And
just
they smell
need to-
fresh.
Yeah, we just need to harvest it immediately. Looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. Ooh, look at these.
Yeah,
they
they're
all
like
have-
sweet potato.
Yeah, but they all have a little soft to it. I don't know why. Is this dehydrated or something? Look at this guy.
Yeah.
This one feels better. Yeah, it's interesting. See? Yeah, you can feel a little softness.
No,
It's
no,
not
but they
rotted
all
for
can.
sure.
No, it's not rotten.
Yeah.
You smell rotten potatoes.
See?
So the soft potatoes, in my experience, are the older ones.
Yeah.
So when my mother used to leave them in the basket for too long, they used to soften.
Yeah, maybe no. The heat. We've been having heat waves here, and poor worms are also struggling here. So maybe the heat has taken some moisture out of them or something like that. But quite a
No,
few.
I think the soft ones.
You wanna focus? You wanna show this piece?
Yeah.
Pile of potatoes. You can see it.
Yeah.
Alright, let me dig up some more. See, it's quite a few more. Look at these. The harvest is good. I guess we just were too lazy to get them all out on time. So next time the lesson learned is as soon as the plant is on its way out, you gotta get it out. You can't wait for it to fully dry up like we did this time. It's okay. You live, you learn. We got a lot of potatoes. Live with a few runts. Alright, so what we'll do now is we'll harvest the rest and then we'll go to the weighing part of the video.
Oh,
Alright,
looks.
so this is the full harvest
Yeah.
and this variety is called Prince of Orange. So it is a little bit of a exquisite new variety. So we
Longish.
Yeah. Should have probably harvested it sooner, but still they all look reasonable. We maybe lost two which I threw away, but
Small ones, two
Yeah.
small ones.
good large harvest. And yeah, we'll do a weighing soon and show the weight. But yeah, pretty good variety. Looks very unique, orangish tint, and we'll see how it tastes soon. Alright, we'll do the weighing now in a Home Depot bucket. You can see I've zeroed out the weight of the Home Depot bucket. Put the potatoes in. So I guessed around
Why don't you just dump
5.5. I think they're a little delicate, so I don't want to dump them. So how much has it gone up to till now?
2.38.
Okay, so maybe it'll be closer to 4.5.
For now, it's
What is it now?
3.5.
Yeah. These tiny ones, gonna weigh all of them. Maybe it's closer to 4, huh?
No, it's closer to 5.
What is it now?
5.11, 5.17.
5 pounds 17 ounces. Huh? Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
6. No. 5 pounds 2 ounces. Yeah. 17 ounces doesn't make sense. Yeah. So 5 pounds 2 ounces. It's pretty decent.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's Prince of Orange.
Yeah.
Huh.